What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Luis Hernandez, and today I am going to be giving you an update on what happened to the 2017 Hyundai Veloster. Okay, so we went out to the dealer and they gave us a bid, and all I gotta say is they're crazy. It's a lot of money. It's not even worth it if I go to the dealer. Check out my Christmas tree. You like that, huh? You like that? Okay. Anyway, back to the car. So I went to the dealership. It's too much money. Let me show you what happened. The bids from the dealer, I did went to Hyundai, and well, these are all the parts that we're gonna need. Hub assembly wheel, block system cylinder, knuckle front, struts, brake calipers, wiring, module, sensors, all of the good stuff. And they come around to $12,098.65. See, I told you it was a lot of money, huh? Anyway, we went to a different website. It's called partsgeek.com, and we find everything we needed for almost, I want to say, $2,500. Almost everything we needed except the engine block. That we can find on eBay for about $2,000. So say $4,500. A lot better than $12,000, but we can even go cheaper, way cheaper. The key is going to the junkyards, different junkyards. It's gonna take time, I know, but it's gonna be saving us a lot of money. So that's the update, guys. Stay tuned. The rebuild is coming up. It's coming up, I promise. So see you guys. Oh, by the way, thank you, all of you, for subscribing to the channel, for watching all my videos, for sharing, for liking, for commenting, leaving comments. Guys, I told you that before. I read and comment to every single comment. I respond to every single comment. That's what I meant. All right. So you guys already know. If you have any questions, let me know, and then I will get back to you as soon as possible. And also leave a comment. Let me know where you seen this video. I know my videos go all the way to Europe, Brazil, Netherlands, Israel. That's the last one I saw. Israel, Germany. There's a lot of places, so leave me a comment. Tell me where you're looking at it from. All right, see you guys very, very soon on the next one when we go to the junkyards. Peace and God bless.